we were going to draw a dog. I think dogs are great, so let's draw a dog. First, we draw the head. Some dogs have heads shaped like this. With a mouth, a little tongue, and eyes.
What are you doing, buddy?
Next, let's get a body.
What's under there?
Some dogs look like this.
What do you see under there? Is there a kitty under there?
Some legs.
What are you trying to look at down there?
Oh yeah, dog needs a nose to smell.
Nope.
There we go.
Just balls.
Happy dog. Thank you for
That's
drawing
all.
a friendly dog with me.
Just toys and stuff. Dang it, you're supposed to walk, silly.
Listen, can you hear it? It sounds like Mudo isn't asleep yet.
Yeah. There you go. Good job, buddy. What about over here? Caleb, can you come to Mama?
What's wrong, Mudo? Sometimes it's hard for me to go to sleep while
Caleb.
Let me think. When you're alone and feeling sad and you don't know what to do. When you can't sleep and feel lonely.
Where are you trying to
here's
go?
just what you do. Think happy thoughts, that's what you gotta do. Think happy thoughts, and a smile will come back to you.
Oh boy.
Think happy thoughts.
What are you doing?